All right, guys, so as I said, we show you the bleeding the coolant system. Now we got to do the brake system. So we got a simple brake bleeder from Harbor Freight. Works with air. And this is a real good investment, man. It's $24, $25. A lot of headache. You could do it by yourself. So we can set this up. Then we'll show you how we use this to bleed the brakes. So we'll normally take this off, this cap. I normally put it to this line here with brake fluid. Then we just be careful the brake fluid don't fall on your car, because if it's freshly painted, it will ruin your car. So this, it have a little valve right here on it. This have a valve here, so it's like a shut-off valve. So you do like this, fluid can't come out. So you turn this down in the reservoir, guys. So guys, what you do, this right here, turn it down in the reservoir like this, and it will just sit there. Well, this, I had to remove the strainer from the reservoir because this have some points on it where you can, it sits in the reservoir, it balances it up like that. So because of the strainer, it wouldn't allow it to sit in there. So the way I start to bleed my brakes is I start the furthest away from the master cylinder. So that would be my right side rear wheel. So I'm just going to get a wrench. Then I use have an 8mm wrench and plug the air on, and then we can start to pull it down, guys. Guys, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Stay locked in now, guys, as we bring this Q50 to completion, guys. So we can show you a video of the inside. We put it back together already. So stay tuned, guys. So we can start from the right side rear wheel and start to pull some fuel. So guys, as I said before, when you start to bleed your brakes, before you start, turn that valve on, and that is like a feeder. It keeps the master cylinder reservoir full, so you don't ever pull in and then it pull air back in the system, guys. So now we'll put the hose on here. It's kind of tight because I got the car too far over, but I'm too lazy to move that right now. So we got a fit in here. And this black cap right here, you stick it onto the nipple. plug up your ear. And you crack the line. I just squeeze the trigger, and it's supposed to just pull the fluid from the reservoir. So guys, we can move between wheels. So we pull some from there, then we'll come to the left side front wheel, and we'll pull some fluid from there. So as you squeeze the trigger, you see the air bubbles in there. So you know when the air bubble is gone, that's when your system is clearing up. So guys, so that's how you bleed the system on any car using a $24, $25 from Harbor Freight, tool from Harbor Freight, guys. Guys, thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. And to kick in because of the carbon dioxide in the shop. I don't like to inhale that stuff. It's very dangerous. So So, the moment of truth is here now. We put everything back together, bleed our system, bleed the brakes. Obviously, we got to wash the car off, clean it up. We got a lot of detailing and stuff, to do with this car. So now we got to see if it start, drive it outside. Then we got to make sure we already bleed the system already. Make sure the fan's kicking in. And then we got to put Freon back in the car. So let's have it start. So we put a new battery in here. Guys, let me start right up. Engine is quiet. So we're gonna bring you inside and show you there's no lights on the dash at all. So we didn't even have to put a scanner on this car. So let me just bring you along so you can see what I'm talking about. All right, guys, so you can see there's no lights on the car. I didn't put a scanner on here. Nothing. That light is the brake light. That because the brakes is on. The trunk is open. Right? So that red light across there, that's the trunk. So if we close the trunk, so now we gotta clean the outside of this car, you know, get a nice shampoo and stuff like that. We got all the interior. We'll do a little bit of cleaning where we had the seats out. Remember the previous video with all the seats? So guys, you see that light went out for the trunk. That light went out, so we don't, not even the airbag light is on the car. And everything is back intact. So we're gonna drive it outside now. Put it in drive and make sure that you drive it outside. All right, guys, so we're gonna drive it out, drive it over here, because we're not gonna wash it down today because it's Sunday. Guys, and there you have it. The Q50. It just drive right out of the shop. We got to clean it up. We got some, a lot of detailing that we have to do. So don't forget, like, share, subscribe, guys. Stay locked in. We didn't finish. We got to road test it now. So after we clean it up, then we will take it on the road test. We got to put the wipers on, get all that dirt, moss, everything off of the car, and then we'll road test it. We got to find some matching wheels to get them put on there, and tires. So stay locked in with us, guys, to the full completion of this 18 Q50, guys. Thanks for watching. We out.